My dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 11 of grade 2 EVS, that is travel. I have put all the lesson number 1 to lesson number 10 explanation in the description box. You can study from there. In this lesson, we will classify the means of transport as fast moving and slow moving vehicles, and we will identify landways, waterways and airways. My dear children, how do you come to school? You go to school, some of you will go to school by walk and some of you will come to school by a vehicle. By a vehicle like motorbike, by a vehicle like school bus and by a vehicle like auto rickshaw, right? Yes. How do you go when you go to the other places? If you want to travel to the other places, how do you go to other places? With the help of the vehicles, right? With the help of the auto rickshaw. If the place is nearer, you will go by auto rickshaw or bicycle. If the place is far, you will go by bus or car, right? Yes. Things that carry people and goods from one place to another are called vehicles. What are vehicles? Things that carry people and goods from one place to other are called vehicles. Okay. Now write the names of the vehicles that you have seen. Children, you see many vehicles in your daily life, right? So here we have to write the names of some of the vehicles which we have seen. Okay. We will write car, bus, lorry, boat, helicopter, auto rickshaw, bicycle, etc. Okay. Next, write the names of the vehicles in the box which are in the pictures below. Here some of the pictures of vehicles are given. We have to write the names of it. Okay. First, this is bicycle. Yes. Here see, what is this? This is bullock cart. In earlier days, people used to go from one place to another in the bullock cart and horse cart. Okay. Next, see, what is this? Bus. This is train. This one, helicopter, aeroplane. This one, auto rickshaw. This is lorry. This one, horse cart. This is bike. And this one, boat. Okay. Here, list of vehicles are given below. Some move slow and some move fast. We have to put right mark in the right column. Here, name of the vehicles are there. The vehicles which move slow, for them we have to put right mark in the slow box, and the vehicles which move fast, for them we have to put right mark in the fast box. Okay. Cycle. How do the cycle move, children? Cycle moves slow. So we will put right mark in the moves slow box. Next, bullock cart. How do the bullock cart move? It also moves slow. Bus. How do the bus moves? Bus moves fast. Train. How do the train moves? Train also moves fast. Aeroplane. How do the aeroplane move? Aeroplane moves fast. Lorry. How do the lorry moves? Lorry comparatively it also moves slow. Horse cart. Horse cart also move slow. Motorbike. Motorbike can move fast. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw also moves slow. Boat. Boat also slow. Okay. Next, see here. This is Rahim's home. Rahim's hometown is Karwar. His grandfather house is in Udupi. Now, he will be now leaving to his grandfather house. In which of the following vehicle should Rahim travel to reach his grandfather home early? Put right mark against the vehicle. Children, Rahim want to go to grandfather home and he want to go fast, early. So which of the vehicle is suitable for the Rahim to go early? If he goes in the bullock cart, it will be late because bullock cart moves slow. If he will go by bus, it will be early. So we will put right mark for the bus. Okay. Next, which vehicle is better for Harini to travel in to go to her grandmother home from Shrimagga to Tumkuru? Put right mark against the correct vehicle. Here also two vehicles are there, that is auto rickshaw and train. Now Harini want to go to her grandmother's home from Shrimagga to Tumkuru. So in which vehicle she have to go? She can go with train. In auto rickshaw we cannot go from one city to another city, right? It will be very far and auto rickshaw cannot go fast and we cannot go early. So here train is better to go from one place to another, one city to another. Okay. Next, see, two men are there, Ramesh and John. They are neighbors. They live next to next house in Kalaburgi. They work in the same office. Every day Ramesh goes to office by cycle and John goes to office by motorbike, and both of them leave their houses at the same time. Now tell me, which of them reaches the office earlier? Ramesh will reach office earlier or John will reach office earlier? Ramesh goes by cycle, John goes by motorbike. In which one you can go early and fast? From the motorbike. So John goes to office by the motorbike earlier. Okay. Here answer the following questions are there. Write any four vehicle that move on land. Here we have to write four vehicle which move on land. So whichever you want you can write, children. I will write here bus, car, bicycle and motorbike. Okay. Have you seen the vehicles that move on water? Write their names. Have you traveled in them? See children, some of the vehicles move on water also, like land. Some of the vehicles move on water also, and many of you have traveled in those water vehicles also. If you have traveled, you can write here the names. That is boat, ship, yacht and submarine. Submarine is a water vehicle which help you to go inside the water. So we can write these four names. Do you know about the vehicle that move in air? Write the name of a vehicle. Children, which vehicle move on air? It is aeroplane, right? So we will write here aeroplane. Next, names of some vehicles are given below. Write where they move in the following table. Now children, I have explained you about the vehicles which move on land, vehicles which move on water and vehicles which move in air. Now you have to write here the vehicles name which move on land, water and air separately. Lorry, bus, cycle, car, bullock cart and motorbike and horse cart are the vehicles that move on land. Okay, now vehicles that move on water, boat, ship and yacht. Okay, now vehicles that move in air, aeroplane and helicopter. Okay, so we have differentiated the vehicles which move on land, which move on water and which move in air. Children, you have to remember the system of vehicles that move on land is land transport. The system of vehicle that move on water is water transport. The system of vehicles that move in air is air transport. Okay, land, water and air transport. Next, here one activity is there. You have to join the dots and color and recognize the vehicles. You have to join the dots, color and recognize the vehicle. Which are the vehicles? Bus, aeroplane and boat. Okay. Next, vehicles and their uses are given in the following pictures. Draw line to match these. In the left side you can see the vehicles bicycle, truck, bus and boat. In the right side their uses are given. We have to match. In the bicycle only one person can go, so we will match to a boy. In the lorry carries the goods, right? So we will match the truck to goods. Next, in the bus many people can travel, so we will match bus to the many people. Next, boat is helpful to go on water, so we will match boat to the water. Okay. Next, see children, some of the pictures of vehicles are given here. 3 vehicles are there. You can see here 3 vehicles, that is truck, bus and train. Now we have to put circle for the vehicle that carry people. In this, which of the vehicle carry people? Bus, right? Bus is the vehicle that carry people, so we will put circle. Then we will put square for the vehicle that carry luggage. Which vehicle carry luggage? It is truck, so we will put square for truck. Next, we will mark triangle for the vehicle that carry both people and luggage. Train is the vehicle that carry people also, luggage also, so we will put triangle for train. Okay. Now Join matchbox to make a train. Prepare an aeroplane with paper and fly it in home. These are two activities for you. You have to join the matchboxes to make a train, and you have to prepare an aeroplane with paper and fly it in home. Okay. Now here riddles are there. Riddles. Let us solve the riddles. Who am I? By reading the question, you have to guess who is this. Okay. I can fly, though not a bird. I do shine, but I am not a star. Though I have wheels, I am not a car. I am very fast, but not a cheetah. Who am I? Who flies, shines, who have wheels, which run very fast? It is aeroplane. So we will write aeroplane. Next, I cannot run on the road. I cannot fly in the air. I run at lightning speed and make a chukupuku sound. Which is this? Who I am? This is train, right? Train will not run on road, will not fly in the air and make chukupuku sound. Look one and all how I play and sail on water every day. No wings to trouble and no problems I have. Who I am? This is boat, right? Yes. So this is all about the lesson number 11, travel, of EVS grade 2. As I have told you again, I am telling, if you want lesson number 1 to lesson number 10, I have put the link in the description box. You can refer from there. And if you want the next further lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.